Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch pay-per-view on YouTube TV. In order to do this, you first need to come to YouTube TV. So you need to type tv.youtube.com in the search bar of your web browser, and you need to come to YouTube TV and log in into your account with your credentials. Now, once this step is done, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on this search icon. Here you need to use the search bar, and here you need to type either PPV or pay per view. Now once you do this, you will be able to see the results that are available on YouTube TV. Now if you are not able to find a pay per view in this list, so the reason might be because the channel or the program isn't available in your YouTube TV subscription. So you need to additionally add pay-per-view if you are not able to see it over here. Other than this, most probably you will see the shows over here and you will be able to easily watch it. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.